48 blood clot towers you got in Miami.
Yeah. Ghetto soldier. Fucking with a rebel soldier. A rebel soldier.
See me a 9 blood clot.
Fucking with a ghetto soldier. A rebel soldier.
Miami and Femi, you for know that blood clot. No blood clot, take this back.
I was brought up on the block with the hustlers and the fiends and the killers with no soul. See on my block, every chick got a whole lot of thug in them, screaming fuck the po-po. Yeah, my papa was a legend, but let me tell you a little something about me. I was raised up poor. In my hood, nobody give a motherfucker about who you be, friend, defend your own. My childhood memories on the corner, sipping Guinness, burning marijuana, clutching on my name cool. Carry a chip on my shoulder, about the size of Texas. You want drama players saying I'm more. Yeah, I'm a product of the street, labeled the menace to society. How the fuck would they know? Don't be so quick to point your finger when really you don't know shit about me. Soldier, release and reload. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier.
Hey, you can never pretend like I don't exist. I'm in the midst of this thug and I'm hugging the block, shooting and never miss. Who in the hell is this? Witnesses never make it, no evidence. Snitching is not allowed in my residence. Born in this ghetto storm, talk it, walk it, do it all in the ghetto form. Soldiers falling, lose more than a leg or arm. Paper chasing, doing 1,000,000 miles per hour. Live for the moment, cause I'm knowing this could be my last hour. Got the flower to bloom, got the power to boom. Can get your highs to move, but with them cowards I'm doomed. I'm a goon, so mistakes, it ain't no room for ya. Ain't no errors because them sheriffs got a room for ya. It don't scare us because the terrors increases and crime rate and diseases. America's most wanted live on your TVs. Ghetto soldiers, they don't know it, but we here to keep it poppin'. It's on. Tighten up cause they'll hide you, Johnny Cochran is gone.
I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier. Gotta do what you gotta do with the circumstances given. You're living life as a ghetto soldier. It seems the devil is sending demons in police uniforms, and they searching for ghetto kids to murder. How is it to survive when you cannot trust the ones who took an oath to protect us from never calling return? The system seems to neglect us. Baby hungry daddy looking at us profile. Baby gotta eat, so daddy gotta risk his life. This ghetto living is the closest thing to suicide, and it's a give or take, who knows, maybe tonight you die. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a ghetto soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a rebel soldier. I know I told ya, when you fucking with me, just know you fucking with a
Yeah. Every hood's the same. Every hood's the same. Come on. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. I'm from the land of the gangbang. Since I was little, ain't a goddamn thing changed. It's the same old saying, Bush run shit like Saddam Hussein. I cock and aim, clinically insane, to deal with this bullshit day to day. If I sell some yay or smoke some hay, you bitches wanna throw me up in Pelican's Bay. Call me an animal up in the system, but who's the animal that built this prison? Who's the animal invented lower living? The projects, thank God for Russell Simmons. Thank God for Sugar Hill. I'm putting a different kind of steel up to my grill. Y'all know what it is, scared for your own kids. How these ghetto niggas taking over showbiz. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. It's boys in the hood, it's toys in the hood. Y'all wanna know why it's noise in the hood? Cause it's drugs in the hood, thugs in the hood. Nigga killed the Crip and the blood in the hood. For real. Cause when niggas get tribal, it's all about survival, nobody liable. I got caught by 5-0. Grandmama came to court with her Bible. But when the judge hit the gavel, now I'm too far from my family to travel. I just came unraveled, socked the DA before I got gaffled. Owned by CA, state property. Just like the year 1553. Looking for me, a one-way ticket out. Don't understand what's so hard to figure out. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. I can't take the pressure. Pull the fofo up out the dresser. Grab the weight up out the closet. Po-po coming, but I'm scared to toss it. Y'all know what happened last time I lost it. Can't tell you niggas what the fucking boss did. D-game got a nigga exhausted. Gotta go for the plea bargain, they off it. 20 years for what? Breaking these laws that's so corrupt. Taking these halls and filling them up. Some powder keg shit that's about to erupt. Hey y'all, I'm about to be stuck until the year 2000, what the fuck? In the hood, don't press your luck, cause these motherfuckers will set you up, word up. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. They give us guns and drugs, then wonder why in the fuck we thugs. They wanna count the slugs, then come around here and fuck with us. Every hood's the same. 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 Stop tripping on it. Every hood's the same. Every hood's the same. Every hood's the same. Every hood's the same. Every hood's the same.
Hey yo, what's up, J-Lee? Nigga, what's crackin'? What you doing? What's going on? What's happening? Nowadays, I be pimpin' the Mac, selling crackin'. Nigga, you still rapping? What up, is I hang with the hardest motherfuckers. I got rhymes by the buckets, make you niggas wanna suck it. I'm the epitome of God gifted. When I busted my first rap, the whole planet shifted. Your mind to the next best hemisphere, next level shit. So you best to just step in here. I got flavor, mad hip hop. I can front in the roughest neighborhood and not get shot. I black out. When niggas start hating shit, run over your crew like the New England Patriots. The craziest, but I'm also the laziest. Never turn on the TV, so I don't know who Jay-Z is. What happened to rap in the 2-0 era? When they are getting worse, see I'm only getting better. Niggas too old, Jay Young and fresher. Put them under pressure, Professor, test ya.
What happened? WD became the illest. What happened? Phony MCs is getting finished. What happened?
You face defeat and we the winners.
Wicked with the lyrics in a minute, you're diminished. I hear people say back in the day he wasn't like this. He's stuck in a cycle of drugs, sex and violence. Reflects on your iris. Gingivitis erupts through the gums of plenty of biters. Excalibur weaponry wielder. You dare to step into the deadliest field of hardcore hip-hop. We laugh at your idols. Fuck your advice, I walk the path of the I kill MCs regardless of which rhyme I drop. On top of the corpses we climb to the top. Who's next to flop cause he thought he was heavy? The last one retired when I tore through his belly. The cyborgs are ready to reboot the system. People go listen. A lot seem to have vanished. They ask me, what happened? Why do I act funny? I stay brain dead like I got bitten by a rat monkey.